Alright, hey, what's up, everybody? This is something that I've been talking about, and I've finally gotten around to, as you can't really tell. Strawberries. They're still kind of hard to see. They're in a lot of liquid. I haven't drained them yet. But I'm going to be making some strawberry bread. It's kind of late, and I'm kind of exhausted. So, get ready for no energy. But we've got flour, which is going to be 3 cups of all-purpose flour, as per usual. Let's see, this is my sugar, and that's going to be 2 cups. We're going to use 1 teaspoon of the baking soda, 1 teaspoon of the ground cinnamon, 4 eggs, 1 1/4 cup of vegetable oil. This recipe says that it's optional to use red food dye, which I figure with the strawberries it's gonna be enough redness to it. I don't care enough to make it like blood red or whatever, which would be what I end up doing by adding food coloring. And also this recipe calls for pecans. I prefer not having nuts in my bread unless it's banana nut, so I will not be adding that, but that is totally up to you. And I will not be making the stuff to drizzle over top of it because that's not something I like. And I think I missed the salt because I have salt right here. Well, yep, 1 teaspoon of salt. But yes, so this is all the stuff. It's very simple. And yeah, so this is our strawberry bread that we will be making today. Guys, I've made a mistake. This is my mixing bowl, and it's full, and it's 11. I called my mom to see if she wanted some, and she does. And I hope so, because my mixing bowl is so full. I mixed, okay, so this is just the dry ingredients, y'all. Okay, so this is the sugar, the flour, the baking soda, the salt, and the cinnamon. And like, oh my goodness, I didn't realize that I knew it was gonna be 5 cups of powder and then like a few teaspoons of other things. But oh my goodness, look at, I've messed up. This is a new recipe to me. I've never made strawberry bread. I've made strawberry cake before and it went terrible. I'm feeling like this is not gonna go good. Alright, let me add the wet ingredients and we'll see. I have made mistakes. Okay, so I've mixed in my eggs and oil and, was that it? Was that all the juices? Was the oil and the eggs, I think? Stir in eggs and oil, and food coloring and strawberries. So I've already mixed the eggs and oil in because I figured that would be easier. Oh my goodness. It's so liquidy. Like, I'm worried that it's gonna be too much liquid. Like, it looks like I murdered somebody. Okay, it looks worse IRL. Like, it doesn't capture all the little red spots. My phone doesn't. But yeah, so this is what it looks like right now, guys. I'm concerned. I've still got some more, I've got some more strawberries just in case I don't think this is enough. I'm concerned about the liquid content for the most part. So right now it doesn't look too bad. But I definitely do need to add some more strawberries, I think. I'm thinking that I'm gonna have to add some more. But I'm definitely gonna stir this a little bit more off camera. It's turning a nice little shade of pink. Oh, I need to get a tripod. I need to get a proper camera and a tripod. Oh man. Alright, well, I'm gonna keep mixing this. I'm gonna keep, and maybe add a few more strawberries. This recipe called for like 2 10-ounce packs. Yeah, 2 10-ounce packs of thawed strawberries. And, I mean, this is what, a quart? I don't know how many ounces you could get in there. Or, this is a quart, and I don't know how many ounces you can get in there. But these were strawberries that we had picked. I don't have bags of frozen strawberries, like, from the store or whatever. So, this is just what I have. I'm saving this juice for strawberry syrup or whatever the fuck I feel like. Which I probably won't make an episode about. But yeah, so that's what I've got for now. Let me do some science, better known as just trying to figure out how to cook. And I will get back to you guys. I will be making one of these, one of the smaller tins. My mom said that she wanted some of this. And then I'll be using my bigger, ooh, is that flour? Yeah, that's just flour. After I wipe out the flour, I'm gonna be filling that up. And, I'm definitely gonna be filling it up with all this. Oh my goodness. It's too late for this. Alright, I went ahead and took the liberty of pouring it into the containers. I've got one over here. This is the one that I'm probably gonna end up just freezing because I already have a... Could you shush? I was preheating. I've already got the sweet potato bread. I think I recorded that one. I might not have. I don't remember. This might be the first bread I've recorded. I don't remember. Anyway, this will probably just go in the freezer to have whenever. It's most of the stuff, like most of the breads you see, they're gonna end up going in the freezer because like I can't cook during the summer because it's too hot. And if you keep seeing videos, it's because I've made so many. But yes, so this one is going to be going to my mother, and this one is for me. And so, let's see, I think it was 55 to 60 minutes. At least for one this size. This is going to take a little bit longer, just because it's deeper and it's wider, so it's just going to take longer for it to cook into the bread. But yeah, let's just go ahead and got a pan in there. Okay, well, you know what? Just gonna remove that pan. Okay. Do I want that pan in there? Anyway, let's just pop this in here and stop thinking about it. I did end up adding all the strawberries from the quart container, the quart bag that I had. And I finally felt like that was enough. I didn't add any extra juices. It's juicy enough. I'm still kind of... Could you not? I'm still kind of worried about the juiciness, but we'll see in an hour. I gotta wake up at 7 in the morning. I've done wrong. Alright, so when you're baking bread, a good way to tell if your bread is even ready to be tested with a toothpick, because a toothpick is a great way to test the very center once you get really close to it being done. And it is still baking, so this is going to mess with the baking a little bit. But watch. Jiggle, jiggle. See? That's not ready. Jiggle. See? And that's definitely not ready. That's going to take even longer. It's been in there for 40 minutes. I put it on for another 10, so I'll put it at 50. The recipe said 55 to 60, so I'll come back in 10 minutes. The smaller one should most definitely be done by then, or really, really close to being done. The big one's probably going to take another good 20 minutes past that, so another 28 minutes. Yeah, I'll be back when hopefully one of them is ready. Alright, so got our handy dandy toothpick. This one I know is done. See? If it's a little damp, well, no, that's not damp. That's just shininess in the light. My bowl, I haven't set it to soak yet. This one, I'm a little iffy on if it's done or not, because the first time I poked it, it came out with a little bit of crusties on it. This time, and the last time and this time, it hasn't had little crusties on it, so. I guess it's done. good enough for me. And that's strawberry bread. That's how you make and you cook strawberry bread. So I said the recipe at the beginning of this video, and I hope you guys give this one a try, because it's actually kind of fun, if a little overwhelming when you are unsure about what you're doing. So yeah, I'm gonna let these guys rest, and then I am going to take some pictures for the thumbnail. Alright, peace out, guys.